Hello, hi, I'm Andreas Koch. I'm the founder of Playback Designs.
Hi, my name is Bert Gerlach and I'm the analog designer of Playback Designs.
For 2016, early 2016, we developed 4 new products. And one is the new DAC that we call the Merlot. It's very similar to the MPD3, but it's a redesigned DAC, redesigned chassis also, and it has AES EBU, coax, and USB input, and also the PlayLink input, which is a proprietary interface for interconnecting Playback Designs products. USB interface was expanded to support also quad DSD.
In the IPS3 there have been a lot of changes to the DAC too, so that you have a better performance, and all those changes and some more go in here, so that you have the digital advantage, or the better digital and the better analog part in the DAC. So it's really a little above the MPS3 or MPD3. Pretty neat if you have a headphone, and so that we added this headphone stage which has an analog volume control, and it's really very high end. So if people like to listen with headphones, that's the way to go.
The digital section, digital receivers here, the digital processing. This is power supply here together with this. And from here on, this is analog. So this is the analog output stage and headphone. To replace the CD drive, we also designed a music server. And it has a built-in 2 terabyte hard disk. But the recommended system setup would be to have an external NAS, and you remote control it with an iPad. In addition, we can hook up a external DVD-ROM drive through the USB interface and then rip CDs.
The neat thing is that it also grabs the metadata if you connect it to the internet, so you directly have all the cover art and all that stuff from the just ripped CD.
The internal guts, or the internal hardware, is based on the Intel NUC board. So we install Windows and run JRiver on it. That's the basic audio engine. Then we have a customized version of DB Power Amp to do all the ripping, and we have a few custom software pieces in there to integrate it all and make it work all together. Then the remote software on the iPad is a customized version of JRemote. So it's a software package that is already well proven. It's not new with a lot of bugs and needs updates and so forth, so it's already quite well proven. And other products. The third product is a modification kit. It's a very small PCB that you put inside the Oppo player. And what it does is it takes all the native DSD and PCM data from the disk, so CD, SSCD, DVD, Blu-ray, or even USB sticks or file playback through the USB. Anything that the Oppo player plays is captured by this card and encoded onto an optical connection, which is called PlayLink. And then it can be linked to the DAC for direct conversion to analog. It's only PlayLink output, yes, the optical output. The reason for that is this is the only format that supports all the sample rates and all the formats. The other reason behind this format is, it's a video machine. So for audio, this is not a good environment. So we want to separate the sensitive analog circuitry as much as possible from the digital and the video side. And the best way to do that is with an optical galvanic separation. Yeah, they're compatible, so you can take a MPD5, the top of the line DAC, and connect it with the Oppo player and play SSCDs. The fourth product, which will come a little bit later in 2016, is the A2D Converter. Transfer their vinyl and tape recording of their analog sources into very high quality DSD format, quad DSD or double rate DSD. drove the need for us to develop a recording software, very simple, basic recording software. Through that, because this is done through USB, this gave us also an opportunity to use the DAC with the same USB interface to record. So whatever goes through the DAC, we can go through the USB output into the PC and use the same recording software to record.
Such as playing an SACD by Opera player and then
Yes.
unofficially.
Yes.
But it can be done.
You can do it. Yes. The wavy design here comes out of the thought that this line is called Sonoma line. Sonoma is the wine area in the US where Playback Designs is located. So when you look at it from your angle about and with the light, you see kind of rolling hills there, and that's kind of that's a Sonoma. And we call these products by grape names, so Merlot, Syrah, and the A2D will be called Pinot. And to further this experience, every product comes with a bottle of our own wine. So we're affiliated with a winery, very small family-operated winery. And yes, they make many different kinds of wines. They market it under their name, but we also make wine for Playback Designs. Thank you. Thank you.